In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Godaddy payment method. This process is helpful if you want your domains or hosting to bill to a different credit or debit card. It is also a good idea to update your payment information when a card expires or when you simply prefer to use a new payment method for your account. To begin, you will log into your Godaddy account and open your Godaddy dashboard. Once you are inside, take a moment to locate the top right corner of the page. In the top right, you should see your account name or profile icon. Click on your name in that area. This action opens a small menu where you can access settings related to your account. From that menu, select Account Settings. You might see multiple options within the settings area, but you only need the one that relates to payments. Next, click Payment Methods. When you enter the Payment Methods section, you are essentially going to manage the cards or payment details associated with your Godaddy billing. Now you will add your new payment details. Click Add Payment Method. After you click that, a form should appear where you can enter the new billing information. Type your new billing details carefully, making sure the information is accurate. If the form asks for things like billing address or other card-related details, fill those in exactly as they appear on your statement. After you finish entering the details, click Save. This saves the new payment method to your account, so it becomes available for billing assignments. After saving, you will see your new payment method appear in the payment list. At this point, the system may allow multiple payment methods to exist in your account. The next step is what actually changes what pays for your domains and hosting. So continue by scrolling down to the Billing Assignments section. This section is where Godaddy lets you choose which payment method is used for different services. Once you reach Billing Assignments, look for the list of your domains or hosting services. You should see options with checkboxes next to each domain and related service. Select the checkboxes for the domains or hosting that you want to switch to your new payment method. Take your time here so you only choose the services you intend to update. This matters because changing the billing method should match your actual plans, and you want to avoid switching things you did not mean to change. After you have selected the checkboxes, click Replace Payment Method. This tells Godaddy that you want to use a different saved card for the selected services. Then you will be prompted to pick which new card you want to use. Select your new card from the list. Make sure you recognize the card from the details shown on screen, such as the ending digits, so you choose the correct one. Finally, click Save to confirm the change. Once you save, Godaddy applies your new payment method to the selected domains and hosting. Depending on the type of service, the change may take effect immediately or be queued for the next billing cycle. But the important part is that your billing assignments now point to the new card you selected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.